In Wall Street, we have seen many legends come and go. Some became famous overnight and were treated like famous rock stars with the help of popular media, glamorizing their success. Some turned out to be true success heroes with consistent results, while some just got one lucky break and faded away when the market crashed. In today's video, we will talk about an upcoming and rising star in the Wall Street circles. Her name is Cathie Wood. Before we begin to share who Cathie Wood is and why she is gaining popularity in Wall Street, I would like to invite you to join our Telegram group as I will be conducting a free live masterclass on the 22nd of October from 7:30 p.m. I will be sharing with you the basics of how to screen for a good REIT or real estate investment trust. I will also share with you some good Singapore REITs that I think is now worth looking at based on its recent performance, and you can ask me questions at the end of the masterclass. Okay, so now let us get back to talking about the Cathie Wood wonder story. Hello everyone, welcome back to SDA Club, the club for stock trading and analysis. This channel is dedicated to providing you with high quality tutorials, guides and insights that demystify the world of trading. Join us as we will share more trading secrets and valuable insights. To stay updated and to be the first to access these valuable resources, hit the subscribe button now. By subscribing, you're opening the door to a world of trading and maximizing your potential for success. Before we dive in, here is a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. It's not a call to buy or sell. So, who is Cathie Wood? Wood was born to Irish immigrants in Los Angeles, California. She was raised with respect for the transformative power of technology by her father, a radar systems engineer. This early experience prepared her for emphasis on finding and funding innovative businesses. Following her graduation from the Notre Dame Academy Catholic Girls' School, Wood went on to achieve great success at the University of Southern California, where she earned a summa cum laude degree in finance and economics in 1981. Wood later went on to obtain a Master of Business Administration in Finance from Marshall School of Business at USC. Notably, one of her lecturers was the well-known economist Arthur Laffer, who mentored Wood and influenced her understanding of economic theory. After graduating, Wood embarked on a successful career in finance, holding positions at well-known companies including Jennison Associates and Capital Group. Wood refined her capabilities to recognize long-term growth trends and make investments in line with them while she was Chief Investment Officer for Global Thematic Strategies at AllianceBernstein. However, the financial crisis of 2008 turned out to be a game changer for Wood. In 2014, after her idea for actively managed exchange-traded funds based on disruptive innovation was deemed too risky by AllianceBernstein, Wood left the company and founded ARK Invest. The company was named after the Ark of the Covenant, while Wood was reading the one-year Bible at the time. ARK's first 4 ETFs were seeded with capital from Bill Huang's family office, Archegos Capital. During this time, Wood faced criticism for her investing choices, but she never wavered in her conviction that disruptive innovation had great promise. ARK Invest later became well known for its distinctive approach to investing. Wood and her group determined that robotics, automation, big data, artificial intelligence, and genomics are the 5 major innovation platforms that will shape the future. Collectively referred to as ARK Disruption, these platforms were the foundation for their investment philosophies. ARK introduced a number of active managed ETFs with a distinct focus on disruptive innovation. Its flagship fund, ARK Innovation ETF, became synonymous with Wood's bold vision, known for its high-risk, high-growth holdings in firms such as CRISPR Therapeutics, Zoom and Tesla. This fund produced remarkable gains, especially in the 2020 bull market. The investing strategy used by ARK Invest is different from conventional approaches. They focus on businesses at the vanguard of disruptive innovation and prioritize long-term compoundable growth prospects over short-term fluctuations. ARK Invest's approach calls for in-depth investigation, examining financial figures, scientific discoveries, technical developments, and sociological changes, something Wood claimed were proprietary and unique in ARK's approach to investment research. Wood also made significant financial choices, one of which was her early and steadfast backing of Tesla, even though at that time there was a lot of initial skepticism about the electric car firm. ARK's sizable investment in Tesla made a big difference in its overall profits. However, the fund faces risk due to its focus on rapidly expanding businesses. There were concerns regarding the viability of Wood's strategies in light of the substantial impact of the 2022 market slump had on ARK. After a stellar 153% return for the ARK Innovation ETF in 2020, the fund plummeted, losing 23% in 2021 and 67% in 2022. A Morningstar analysis conducted from 2014 to 2024 concluded that ARK's overall funds destroyed an estimated $14.3 billion in shareholder value, ranking it as the worst performing fund family in that decade. This occurred even during a generally bullish market period. The ARK's ETF inception to date returns have significantly lagged behind broader market indices. For example, from 2014 to the end of 2023, ARK's 122% return was less than half of the Nasdaq 100's 330% gain. Critics argue that Wood and her team often ignore traditional metrics like profitability and valuation, a strategy that is vulnerable to rising interest rates. Many of the companies in ARK's portfolio are unprofitable, making them particularly sensitive to higher rates. Critics also mention ARK's lack of risk management and noted ARK's haphazard disregard for risk, observing that the firm does not appear to employ a dedicated risk management staff. This reliance on intuition rather than informed risk controls is considered a major liability. Due to ARK's high concentration in high-growth, high-risk assets, its funds are known for being volatile and unpredictable, often described as a roller coaster ride for investors. Today, ARK's family of funds have since rebounded from its lows due to the overall stock market's optimism on future earnings and the recent reduction in US interest rates. However, critics are concerned about Cathie Wood's overly optimistic views of a portfolio of stocks, as we know that in her interviews with the media, she is known to share with viewers her ridiculous price predictions. Is Cathie Wood, therefore, here to stay for the long run and become the new wave of value investors such as Warren Buffett? Still remains to be seen. So, what do you think of Cathie Wood and the future performance of her ARK ETFs? Do you think that she's just a lucky investment superstar, or is she indeed a skilled investor with great vision? Do share your views in the comments section below. For more information on how you can optimize your portfolio and would like to seek advice on your current investment portfolio, speak to us by replying to the WhatsApp link in the comments section, and our team can provide a personal touch and talk to you about your investment plans. I hope you gain some new insights and tips from this video. See you in my next video. Goodbye.